Network operators are in a race against time to build future-ready optical fiber networks. And winning this race would require a lot of innovation and a lot of optical fiber. To help them win today and stay ahead tomorrow, STL presents Celesta. Intelligently designed, smaller and denser optical fiber ribbon cable. With its collapsible ribbon design, Celesta is 26% slimmer compared to a traditional loose tube cable with the same number of fibers. Its compact design allows for efficient duct space utilization, and the cable can easily be blown inside a 20mm duct. Innovative sheathing design and non-preferential bending provide 2 times faster blowing performance. Multiple peripheral strength members provide crush protection and rodent resistance. Celesta reduces cable installation time by up to 80%. Its contra-helical cable binding and gel-free water-blocking design enables faster cable end preparation and easy mid-span access. Color-coded bond design results in first-time right splicing, even with semi-skilled manpower. Operators can save up to 80% of splicing cost with 5 times faster ribbon splicing. Celesta is made using STL's G657A2 bend-insensitive optical fiber, which results in increased power budget and industry's lowest attenuation in ribbon cables. Celesta optimizes storage and shipping space owing to its lightweight and smaller form factor. With Celesta, network operators can reduce rollout time, optimize duct space utilization, reduce the size of passive network infrastructure, and improves network performance. STL's Celesta, an intelligently bonded ribbon. STL, beyond tomorrow.